am Abhijit Bhardwaj. Welcome you all in live Jharkhand breaking headlines today. Headlines today is brought to you by NIPS School of Hotel Management, SOA University Bhubaneswar, Budhiya Bagan, Kailash Paper Conversion, Zero Worries Private Limited. Cabinet expansion of Hemant Soren government today. Swearing in ceremony is organized at Raj Bhavan. The cabinet of the new government is being expanded after 1 month after Hemant Soren took oath as a CM. Central government's decision: we will sell 100% stake in Air India. Enforcement Directorate visualizes anti-national forces behind the violence of CAA protesters in Uttar Pradesh. Popular Front of India (PFI) has arranged rupees 120 crore for violent demonstrations. Central government ready to deal with coronavirus. Preparations begin to expel Indians from China. Supreme Court directs Jharkhand government to submit report in 2 weeks regarding Pathalgadi case. Former Union Minister Yashwant Sinha said due to citizenship law and NRC, resentment across the country. Increase in food delivery charge making food from Swiggy and Zomato expensive. From February 2nd to February 16th, the Raj Bhavan garden will be open for the common people. Rajesh Singh again elected president of Ranchi Press Club. New faces for other posts. UGC team to inspect Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee University today and tomorrow will get 12B recognition if satisfied. Registration begins for the 33rd convocation of IGNOU ceremony to be held on February 17. Delhi sees heavy rainfall in morning. There is alert of rain Koderma, Latehar, Garhwa, Palamu and Lohardaga. Thank you for being with us. We'll be back soon with new updates.